ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಗರೀಕರಣದ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ now going to discuss about the theories of urbanization. Theories of urbanization. City forms the central point of urban sociology like many other sociological categories. The city as an abstraction composed of concrete entities like residences and shops and an assortment of many functions. A place is legally made a city by a declaration by a competent authority. Sorokin and Zimmerman enumerate 8 characteristics in which the urban world differs from the rural world. These are occupation, environment, size of community, density of population, heterogeneity of social differentiation, stratification, mobility, system of interactions. ನಗರೀಕರಣದ ಅಥವಾ ನಗರಗಳ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿದ ನಗರ ಸಮಾಜಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ನಗರ ಪರಿಸರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಜ್ಞರೇ ಆಗಿರುವ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗರ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ವಿಧಾನ ಬಳಕೆಯ ಕುರಿತಾದ ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾಪವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುವುದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆವೆನಿಸುವುದು. ಸಮಾಜಗಳು ಬದುಕುಳಿಯಲು ಅಥವಾ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲ ಭೌತಿಕ ಪರಿಸರ ಹೊಂದಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಜೀವಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುವುವು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಕೊಡುವ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತವನ್ನು ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ಮಾರ್ಗದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ ವಿಧಾನ ಎನ್ನುವುದಿದೆ. The study of cities was a subject that had already explored in the second part of the 19th century. In early classical sociology, with its celebrated dichotomies such as Maine's distinction between status and contact and Morgan's contrast between savagery, barbarism and civilization, this aspect was further developed by Tönnies, who contrasted Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft, and by Durkheim, who distinguished between mechanical and organic solidarity. Tönnies and Durkheim believed that the Gemeinschaft type of social organization or mechanical solidarity is fully developed in cities, particularly in modern cities. The study of cities was a subject that had already explored in 1920-1940s. A number of sociologists from the University of Chicago put forward ideas which for many years were the chief basis for theory and research on urban sociology. Two strands of the Chicago school that we are going to examine are the ecological approach and the urbanism as a way of life approach developed by Wirth. Students of sociology are interested to know about different theories in urban sociology. All urban theories are important because large number of people in the world live in cities and face urban realities. City life has become fast, urgent, and civilians are forced to adjust with the given geographical, social, and economic condition. All civilization of the world began with the development of city-states. From example, Greek city-states of Italy, Rome, Babylonia, etc. Some of the ancient and medieval cities were born on the banks of rivers such as Pataliputra, Banaras, and Ujjain. Ruined cities like Mohenjo-daro and Harappan cities were systematically planned. ಎಂಬ ಅಧ್ಯಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಿರುವ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿರುವ ತಾತ್ವಿಕ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಯನಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಬಲ್ಲವುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರವಾಗಿರದೆ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾದವುಗಳು ಆಗಿವೆ. ಸಮುದಾಯಗಳು ರೂಪು ತಳೆಯುವು ಮತ್ತು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹೊಂದುವ ರೀತಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಸಸ್ಯ ಸಮುದಾಯಗಳು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾಮ್ಯಗಳಿಗೂ ಎಂಬ ಅಂಶವು ಆತ ತಮ್ಮ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸಸ್ಯಗಳ ಚಲನಶಕ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಪ್ರದೇಶವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಶ್ವತ ನೆಲೆಯಬೇಕಾದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಲಿಸುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಮಾನವರಿಗಂತೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಸಾರವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಪಾಟು ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. Most of the modern cities like London, New York, Colombo, and Asian cities like Tokyo, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Mangalore, Cochin, Thiruvananthapuram were established on seashore. Some of the industrial cities like Surat, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Bangalore, Mysore, and Salem were grown in the interior parts of the country. All cities have been followed with one or the other theory. The urban atmosphere is different from rural atmosphere in all respects. Cities have been applied with a theory, a model, a map, a geographical location, and political sanction. Ancient cities differ from medieval and modern cities. Urban theories were developed by American sociologists known as the Chicago School. The systematic urbanization began with America. They have developed theories to develop planned cities.